These are the four tables which I have included for the a textile owner to store the data. One is the boutique category and boutique order, boutique product, and the order address. One is to store the product details and the categories the product which we have, and the orders based on the customer's order, and address customer address we used to store it here. These are the things that comes under the stock database. Let me run these four together. Now, whatever you see right now, right? These are the four different table datas which we can see. First is the category, second is the order, third is the product table, and the fourth is address of the customer. And I'll be showing you other constraint and triggers which I have used here. First is a product table. Okay, these are the columns which I have included and the type of the each column, varchar and double and int type I have used it. And come to the index part here, four indexes I have used based on the columns. And triggers for this table, I have used one triggers as well. Whenever the product is initiated, it will automatically trigger and update along with the timestamp. Let me move on to the next table, which is a category. I'll show you the columns and the data types as well. These are the columns, the same types which I have used for the previous table. A few of the things I have used here as well. Index two columns have been used, ID and type. For this table as well, I have included the trigger. So totally I have two triggers. One is for this category table, another one is for the product table. Let me move on to the order table. These are the different columns with the data types. Order based on the customer order, the different uh, designs of the blouse and other sari, other material types. In India, for the festivals, they used to order. So these are the details I used to collect in the order. And this is the index part with the four columns, one ID and other columns as well. Triggers, I didn't use triggers here. Only two triggers I have, which I have already shown you. Another table is order address. I used to store the customer address in this table. Let me go to the a column part of this table. These are the address and city, state I used to store. And the index is only the primary key address ID because I don't have an triggers here. Let's move on to the join. Using this join, I'll be trying to find out the product count based on the two table, boutique category and boutique product one. You can see the results down. Bridal wear count is 4. Let me open another join query as well, which I have for the product with category details. Here the product and the category one I have used it. That's it. Thank you.